Yo, what's up, everybody? Your dude, Scrappy Muscle, coming over here, coming at you through the screen. Reach. Anyways, y'all, you already know. So, hope you've been having a blessed day. Remember who God made you to be in His image. That's what it's about. Fitness is more than just the physical, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. So, I want to show you guys a little night treat I'm actually going to make, and this was a treat I actually learned from another person here on YouTube, but I'm putting my own twist on it. And fam, you know what it's about. Summer Smash 2022, using level 1's lunar smash. Check it out. Comes pretty close to tasting like a moon pie. Who doesn't love moon pies? And when you want something sweet but healthy at the same time, level 1 is one of my favorite things to opt to when I do have it. And let's get it started here. So ingredients, we have Nature's Promise plant-based almond milk, which I need to start back drinking a lot more of because regular milk does not do well with my stomach. Like I said, we got here Lunar Smash, level 1, a sustained assimilating whey protein. We have an xanthan gum, keto friendly, if that matters. And yeah, actually that's pretty cool. So I learned about this stuff from another awesome dude on here who I actually got the Blizzard idea from. Remington James on here, you might know him. And xanthan gum definitely is awesome. And it's only 5 calories. And to give it a little bit more chocolate taste, we have some Hershey's cocoa. So let's get it started here. Oh, and if you're tracking your calories, don't forget your scale here. Don't overcomplicate it. I will say that. Alright. Let's get this started. So zeroed out to grams. One serving of that. We'll be crunching numbers here. Actually, I don't have them tracked yet, so pen paper. The pen is blue. The pen is blue. If you know what movie that's from, comment down below. Right, let's see here. So, level 1. Is 1 scoop. 1 scoop. And also, let's not forget Greek yogurt here. Got a little bit more thickness in it. By the way, that movie I quoted, kids under 18 do not watch it. Alright. Let's see here. Grams. about 45 grams of Greek yogurt. I'm like, now I don't even know where I put the top at, which is half the time how I am. We are going to put 3 grams of xanthan gum. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what we're making. A protein blizzard. So, let's figure that out. Let's put about 4 ounces. Oh, make it a little bit thicker. So let's put about like 6 grams. So it'll be thick. We want that consistency, but also that thickness. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to top it off with as well. I think it was like 50 grams Greek. Like, I'll put the ingredient in, and then like the next thing, I'll just like forget it. But I think it was like 40 or 50 grams Greek yogurt. You guys heard me before. I run the video back and then just see. And about, let's do 1 cup, a little bit over 241 milligrams of milk. And Hershey's cocoa powder. I just skipped the part where you use a spoon because I'm lazy like that. 10 grams cocoa powder. Get some ice. Boom, I'm back. Alright. Let's pour next up. There we go, that's what we want. Alright. That's exactly what we want. And here we go. And ta-da! Get it out. get a spoon out here. The thing I've noticed with xanthan gum, and it's pretty awesome, if you haven't tried it, try it, is it really brings up the volume, the amount. I keep getting out of the camera. Alright, so boom, there it is. And to top it off, I don't know about y'all, but I'm a Reese's peanut butter kind of guy. Boom. See. 42 grams is one serving. Whoops. Gonna break it up. I think this whole pack is like one serving. All right. Taste test. Pretty good. So you're gonna have some sugar in this, but not as much as you would in a normal Blizzard. And like I said, the original idea for the Blizzard came from Remington James here on YouTube. Check him out if you haven't already. Put my own little twist on it with the Lunar Smash, only found at the Summer Smash 2022. Fam, I love you. That was an awesome time. Definitely each and every one of you that God put in my life, I am thankful for. So, to end the video, I want to end it with a verse in Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. It's about answering the calling He has for you in Him. It's not in ourselves completely or at all. And it's about answering His call and taking the path many are not willing to take. So the question is, are you going to answer the call? That's what it's about. Scrappy muscle here. Protein Blizzard. Made with Lunar Smash. Keep on getting after it, guys. Grow mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally. Overcome those battles and do it with God by the blood of Jesus in you. He will never leave you nor forsake you when you take that path. And He offers it to you as a free gift. Let's go. Blessed night, y'all. Let me know if you try this. Your brother, Scrappy Muscle.